Hello everyone. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing a great job so far. Yeah, I am also fine. Very nice. You know, I am Ruchi, your science tutor. And today we are discussing a very interesting topic. Yes, the name of the topic is the universe. It's really very interesting. आपने सुना है कभी यूनिवर्स के बारे में? आपने कभी सुना है यूनिवर्स? What is it? What is the earth? Yeah, ma'am is having this earth also with ma'am. See, this is a earth. Wow, so beautiful earth. Right? What ma'am is doing, see. So we will discuss this earth after this. Okay? I am Ruchi, your science tutor. So welcome you all in today's session. Okay? Ma'am will use Hindi and English language. Ma'am आपको हिंदी में भी समझाएगी and English also. Fine. So no need to get worried. If you have any query, you can ask me in English as well as in Hindi also. Okay? Let's start. Before proceeding with that beautiful topic, I would like to introduce few platforms. हमारे पास कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं मैम आपको वो जल्दी से समझा देती है फाइन द प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर द फर्स्ट वी आर हैविंग अ माइक बटन you always need to just off it. Okay, there is an on and off option, but you need to just off it whenever it is required. When you want to ask question to your ma'am, then obviously you can on it. Fine. There is a video option next. You need to just on your video. आपको अपना video on रखना है in a whole entire session. But when it's required, you want to drink water or you want to go washroom, then else you can off your video. Okay, that's nice. नेक्स्ट हमारा आता है चैट बॉक्स. चैट बॉक्स इज दैट chat box में you can just write the chat. If you want to ask any query, any question, you can just write a text in the chat box. Ma'am will solve the query. Okay, इन सारे options के साथ we are also having troubleshoot option. Troubleshoot option very simple. When the class is going on and suppose a like video is creating a problem, so we are having a technical team. हमारे बायजूस में technical team है and they will resolve your issue very fast. Fine. So just start our today's session. That is a beautiful session with a beautiful topic. So welcome you all in today's session, that is our universe. Fine. Now see what ma'am is doing. See, ma'am is having this earth. Yeah. Yeah. So ma'am is doing like this. In this earth, there are so many like countries are reflecting here. Yes. Yes. It's so beautiful, na? Very good. You know that earth is a planet. आपको पता है earth planet होता है और planets, there are so many roles of planets. There are so many planets also with the earth. अर्थ के साथ साथ हमारे पास और भी बहुत सारे planets होते हैं. Do you know it? Yes, ma'am will tell you in this session and we will start with the planet. We will start with the planet, stars, sun, as well as universe. Okay, so before starting, ma'am will share the screen of ma'am. Okay, ma'am will share the screen. Ma'am अपनी screen को share करेगी और उसमें जो slide है ma'am will open that. Fine, it will help you. Now see what a beautiful slide it is. कितनी सुंदर slide है, see? And in this slide, what is there? In this slide, we are having, we just look here that a boy is sitting on a chair. एक boy है, चलो उसका नाम रख लेते हैं. Let's have a name, Alex. Okay, So the name of the boy is Alex, is sitting on a chair. Fine. And he's having a telescope. He's having a telescope and he was watching the stars, sky. Okay. Now tell me, how many of you are so much showing interest in watching the sky at the night time? आप लोगों में से कितने सारे बच्चे हो जो नाइट के टाइम पर व्यू करते हो स्काई को? That is a very in a very beautiful, like stars are twinkling, moon is shining in the night, right? So I hope so that as ma'am also likes the view, night view in the sky. So I hope so that all of you are liking the same view, right? Yes, very nice. I know that you liked it. Very good. So this is a boy named Alex, okay, sitting here and watching a night view. What's the night view here? See, there are the planets. Planets we can't see. Planets को हम ऐसे देख नहीं सकते. We just use this telescope. Fine. And today's session is all about the beautiful night sky. Okay, the night sky is so beautiful. Fine. And here we will learn so many amazing and interesting things. Fine. We will learn so many amazing and interesting things about the sky, about the moon, about the stars. Fine. So let's start. Here, what we have in the next slide. See, that is, wow, so beautiful. That is the jewels of the night sky. Wow, so fantastic. Ma'am loves this view. I think so that every one of you likes this view, right? In the sky time, like everywhere a night is there, a black night and twinkling stars. We have read one rhyme also. When we were like in nursery class, we have some rhyme. Do you remember that rhyme? Yeah, ma'am will tell you like that ma'am is having a star. See, beautiful star for you. Yeah. So we have a rhyme also on the stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. So these are the stars in the sky. See how much beautiful it is looking. Fine. Now see here in this sky, in the sky when the stars are twinkling, see the earth is there. And the same earth I am also having. Ma'am ke paas bhi ek earth hai. See, the ma'am is showing, ma'am is seeing like rotating like the earth like this. See, the earth always rotates because earth is a planet and earth rotates around the sun. अर्थ हमेशा सन के चारों तरफ रोटेट करती है. फाइन. एंड अर्थ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ब्लू प्लैनेट. ओके, नाउ टेल मी कि हम अर्थ को ब्लू प्लैनेट क्यों कहते हैं? व्हाई अर्थ इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लू प्लैनेट? बिकॉज इन द अर्थ, यस, वेरी नाइस आंसर्स. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स दे रहे हैं. Really, very good. Due to the 3/4% of the whole water inside the earth. अर्थ में वाटर लेवल भी तो होता है लैंड के साथ. That's why earth is considered as a blue planet. See, the earth is here. Fine. The green portion is there and blue. That means a water area is also there. That is a 3/4 part portion. Fine. Now see, what I want to say you that the earth, this is the earth, and above the earth, what happened? There are layers on above the earth. Suppose, see, I am having this earth. Look at this. Fine. And at the top of the earth, what it is continuously moving. And earth is having spherical shape. Okay, earth की shape होती है spherical, and on the upper side, what happened? Few gases layers are there. Earth के ऊपर side में layers होती हैं, and due to the layers, due to just that layers of different gases, what happened? These layers are called as atmosphere. Earth एक ऐसा planet है. Earth is a planet where what happened? Life is possible. Atmosphere is there. Water is there. That's why what happened? It viewed from the earth. See, and when it viewed from the space, जब हम अर्थ को स्पेस से देखेंगे, स्पेस इज सो मिलियंस अवे फार, बहुत दूर होता है, लेकिन स्पेस पर लाइफ नहीं है, नो एटमॉस्फेयर. So just there is no atmosphere, no light rays come, no light rays come and it will bend. Fine. So this is the reason that the earth is looking like this here, just because the atmosphere is here. Yes, atmosphere made up of many layers of hot and cold gases. अर्थ के ऊपर लेयर में मैम ने बताया था बहुत सारी लेयर्स होती हैं, and these layers are having hot and cold gases. Fine. So this view is just because ki earth is having atmosphere and space don't. Fine. I hope so कि सबको समझ आ गया होगा. Just show me your thumbs up fast. Very good. सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं. Very nice. मैम रियली अप्रिशिएट. मैम आप सबकी बहुत तारीफ कर रही है सीरियसली. और इन द सेशन आई वांट फुल पार्टिसिपेशन. मुझे आप सब लोगों का पूरा पार्टिसिपेशन चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो ना कि लाइक वन वे कम्युनिकेशन इन द क्लास, we don't have interest. Fine. So ma'am wants two-way communication from your side also. The answers and excitement should be there. आपके आंसर्स भी आने चाहिए, आपका एंथुसियाज्म भी दिखना चाहिए, और आप एक्साइटेड भी होने चाहिए, जैसे मैम आपको बूस्ट अप करेगी टाइम टू टाइम. फाइन. नाउ द टर्म ऑफ पोल क्वेश्चन. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम फॉर पोल क्वेश्चन. अभी पोल क्वेश्चन का टाइम हुआ है, एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the following is not required for the twinkling of stars? Which of the following is not required for twinkling of stars? See, stars I have shown you. Fine, this is a star. And see, before going this question, ma'am will tell you one thing, that we are having sun. Suppose this is a sun. I am having sun also. Suppose, just consider that this is a sun, round ball. Sun is a round ball of huge, sun is a fireball of huge hot gases. फाइन. एक राउंड बॉल होती है जिसमें बहुत सारी गैसेस होती हैं इन द सन, एंड सन हैज इट्स ओन लाइट. whereas moon, moon don't have its own light. As we see that in the morning time the moon is not visible, right? But in the night time moon is visible. Then what is the reason? Due to yes, very good, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. Yes, due to the bright light of the sun. sun की bright light से moon, डे टाइम में मून नहीं दिखाई देता है, एंड एट द नाइट टाइम मून इज विजिबल. सिंपल. एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टार्स, अगेन द स्टार्स हैव इट्स ओन लाइट. स्टार्स के पास अपनी लाइट खुद होती है. ओके. एंड स्टार्स आर कंटिन्यूअसली ट्विंकलिंग. Fine. So which of the following is not required for twinkling of the stars? And ma'am has told you that in the earth, like for the twinkling, what happened? The light, when the light rays bend randomly and when they travel through different layers, I have told you na about the atmosphere. Yes. So I have told you that only the clouds, because light rays are also plays an important role, and the atmosphere also, but only the clouds not plays a role in twinkling of the stars. So what will be the answer? Now tell me, which of the following is not required for twinkling of the stars? Obviously the answer is, come on, tell me. Ayush, Nidhi, Megha, Rayan. Yes, time up. The option is cloud, because the like cloud don't have any light and all this thing. No light rays bend, and tracing back the different rays gives an appearance of the twinkling stars. But in the clouds, it's not. Fine. So the option is cloud. Very nice. Now come, now it's a time for another poll question. I hope so that you students, all of you are enjoying today's session, right? Your beautiful smiles shows this. आप सभी की स्माइल से मैम को समझ आ रहा है that you all are enjoying, isn't it? Very nice. Your good and cute smiles always matters for me. If you are happy, then ma'am will definitely happy. So always keep smiling. Fine. Now the time is for another poll question. That is, when viewed from which of the following places, stars will not twinkle? See, the question is, when viewed from which of the following places, stars will not twinkle? See, the options are moon, boat, and Mount Everest. What will be the answer? Come on, your time starts now. Very nice. Oh, very good. I hope so. Everyone will give the answer and correct answer. One more thing, never worried about this. कभी आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है कि आपने आंसर रॉन्ग दिया है या राइट दिया है. You just have to participate. आपको सिर्फ participate करना है. Ma'am will tell you if the answer is wrong. It's okay. No problem. Ma'am will help you out. Yes, the answer is, when viewed from which of the places the stars will not twinkle. Clap for you all. Everybody's answer is right. Yes, obviously the answer is moon. Yes, very nice. Fantastic. Now, here is the moon. Now I will tell you about the moon. Fine. The king of night sky. What happened in the night time? The moon is just shining in the sky. Fine. But someday, few days, कुछ time आपको moon different shapes में दिखाई देता है. Suppose when the Eid is coming, right? Shape of the moon is different. And when the Diwali is coming, shape of the moon is different. When Raksha Bandhan is coming, the shape of the moon is different. Like the shapes of the moon is like changes. Moon की जो shape होती है वो change होती जा रही है time to time. And ma'am have told you already that, what ma'am have told you, that moon don't have its own light. Moon always provided a light from the sun. Okay, this thing just keep it in your mind, that moon don't have its own light. Here what we have, in the ancient time, when there was a number and different shapes of the moon was there, then what happened, the astrological, जो astrologers थे ना, जो like asteroids की study करते थे, moon की study करते थे, उनको astrologers कहा जाता था. And these astrologers get to find about the different shapes of the moon. उन्होंने पता किया, and they find out that with the help of the shapes of the moon, what they find, that in this month this festival we will celebrate, in this month the harvesting we can done in this month. So by the shapes of the moon they get to find out only for just prediction, because they don't have a like they are having a calendar that is made by them. एक कैलेंडर बनाया था उन्होंने according to the shape, and these calendars are made by them, and just have a prediction. उनको सिर्फ prediction होता था कि that like the shape this come, then the festival is this. If the shape is this come, then the festival is this. So by this way the astrologers plays their important role in like shaping out the moon. But afterward what happened, we are having different phases of the moon. And you know, it's really very interesting. Ma'am will tell you with my ideas. One more thing. Concepts को कभी like crammed out नहीं करना है. When you crammed out the concept, then what happened? You will never get it learned. Always just with full of interest, just enjoy study. And when you will learn the study, when you will just enjoy the study, and what happened, you will just get the topic always in your mind when you are relating with the day to day examples. Like, never just crammed out the language what is written in the book. Just enjoy it, then definitely you will get the concepts very clear. Okay, then what are the phases of the moon? What are the phases of the moon? We have for this, suppose ma'am will tell you, this is the earth. Okay, see, the sun is there. Let's consider this box is sun, and this is earth. Fine. Sun is here, earth is here, and in between moon. And in the center, the moon is here. Suppose in the center, the moon is here. Fine. What happened when uh, sun, moon, and earth is in the same plane? When sun, moon, and earth is in the same plane, 180-degree angle, then what happened? At the same plane, uh, the moon is here at the center between sun and earth. At this position, the moon don't get any kind of light from the sun. Then what happened? The phase of the moon is called as new moon. उस फेज को मून का, जब मून, सन और अर्थ एक सेम इंक्लाइन प्लेन में है, जिसमें मून सेंटर में है, उस मून की पोजीशन को हम बोलते हैं न्यू मून. दैट इज नॉट illuminated. Illuminated means the light is not coming through the sun. तो मून इज टोटली ब्लैक, जिसको हम बोलते हैं अमावस्या नाइट. फाइन. सो दैट इज द न्यू मून concept. And when the moon, suppose this is the sun and this is the moon, and in center this is the earth. Suppose the earth moves up, then one thing must clear, that the upside rotation is called as waxing and the below side rotation is called as waning. When the moon, this position, that is a new moon, Amavasya moon, when the moon just change its shape, what happened when moon is just coming on this side? So this side, the position of the moon is called as waxing crescent moon. Fine. What happened in the waxing crescent moon? That is, the moon is less than half illuminated. Okay, and इस phase को हम बोलते हैं waxing crescent moon. And a little bit more than like less than half moon is illuminated, means little bit rays are coming from the sun. Again the moon moves up forward. Then what happened? The moon is at in the like in the opposite direction, and it makes the 90-degree angle. Moon, earth and sun, जब ये 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे हो जाएंगे, then what happened? The phase is called as waxing quarter moon. Fine. Waxing quarter moon में क्या होता है? Moon is half illuminated, means half moon पे रोशनी होती है, half moon पे अंधेरा होता है. That is a waxing quarter moon. Again, moon changing its position, क्योंकि moon is just continuously rotating around the earth. Yes. So again moon is rotating and moon comes in this direction, that is called as waxing gibbous moon. Fine. And what is the meaning of waxing gibbous? Waxing gibbous means more than half part of the moon is illuminated, means आधे से ज्यादा part moon का रोशनी में आ जाएगा, illuminated. The rays are coming from the sun. And see what happened when the moon is on the back side of the earth. जब moon earth के back side में आ गया. See, when the moon is at the back side of the, this is the moon, this is the earth, and this is the sun. So moon is in the just back side of the earth. So this phase of the moon is called as full moon, जिसे हम पूर्णमासी की night कहते हैं. So this is the full moon. Here what happened? द फुल रेज ऑफ द सन कमिंग ऑन द मून. सन की पूरी लाइट मून पे पड़ती है और मून शाइन करता है. सो दिस इज द टोटल फेज, वैक्सिंग फेज. और जब ये वैक्सिंग फेज फिर से रिवर्स होके जाता है तो इसको हम वेनिंग फेज बोलते हैं. फाइन. तो ये सारे फेजेस आई होप सो आप सबको समझ आ गए होंगे. Fine. So these are, and this is the life cycle, like the phases of the moon takes 29 days. इस मून की फेज को कंप्लीट होने में 29 डेज लगते हैं. एंड रियली इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड बाय दिस वे, as the moon changes its shape, and this is the reason exactly that the moon shapes is changing. Sometime it gets full light, sometime it's get not full light. कभी कभी सन से ज्यादा लाइट मिलती है, कभी लाइट कम मिलती है. So this is the reason that sometimes moon is looking like half, moon is looking like elliptical, and moon is looking like circle, गोल गोल. You know, mama की रोटी गोल गोल, baba का चश्मा गोल गोल, right? So this is the rhyme we have read. So गोल means the moon, full moon, that is the Purnamasi moon. Fine, I hope so. Now the phases of the moon is being cleared to you. अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Now see, why does the moon change its shape? मैम ने आपको अभी explain किया. ये जो phase होती है इसको हम बोलते हैं moon phases. How much time it takes? It takes 29 days. Fine. Now move to the next slide. These are the phases of the moon जो मैम ने आपको बता दिया है. Now it's a time for our master tutor video. So just ma'am will play for you and you will get to know more information about the phases of the moon. Fine. Now the question is, if 24 July is a full moon day, Ayush, Nidhi, Megha, Rahul, I hope so that you all are enjoying. Yes, सब enjoy कर रहे हैं. Phases of moon मैम ने जो समझाया आपको अच्छा लगा? That's fantastic. बहुत अच्छा लगा. और मैम भी बहुत हैप्पी है. आपके हैप्पी फेस देखकर मैम भी हैप्पी हो जाती है. So you guys always keep smiling to make ma'ams happy. Okay. Next is, if July 24 is a full moon day, which of the following is a probable date of a new moon day? 24 July is a full moon day. Phase अभी हमने पढ़े हैं moon के. Which of the following is a probable date of new moon day? New moon day की क्या probable date होगी? Now give me the answer fast. Very nice. I hope so. मुझे पता है सारे बच्चे answers इसका correct देने वाले हैं. Yes. This is the poll question. Yes. Obviously, the answer is yes. The answer, yes, you have given a very true and correct answer. Ma'am is doing clap for you. We have done with the phases of the moon. हमने phases of the moon explain करा है. Phases of the moon में मैंने बताया था आपको कि it takes 29 days to complete the phases of the moon. Fine. Now the question is, what is the shape of the moon in this case as viewed from the earth? अर्थ से जब हम व्यू करते हैं तो मून की हमें शेप कौन सी दिखाई देती है? What shape? What is the shape of the moon in this case as viewed from the earth? What is the shape? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? Now tell me. Yes, Rahul, Kirti, Parul, very nice. Answers आ चुके हैं सबके? Yes, very nice. The answer is D. What is the shape of the moon in this case as viewed from the earth? See, the shape of the moon is full round here. Here is little blurred like this. See the shape you can see. See here. I have told you the phases of the moon like half illuminated, less than, more than less illumination, or less than half illuminated. But here, full black. Fine. So the option is obviously what is the shape of the moon in this case as viewed from the earth. Earth से जब हम देखेंगे तो what is the shape? That is the option D. Fine. Very nice. So let's move to the next question. During which phase will the distance between the moon and sun will be maximum? Now, it's a very good question and really very interesting. मैम ने आपको अभी phases of the moon समझाया था. मैम ने बताया था ये sun है, ये moon है, एंड सपोज ये मैम की अर्थ आ गई बीच में. ये अर्थ है, ये सन है, और इसके बीच में हमने मून ले लिया. अर्थ को हम थोड़ा सा साइड में कर देते हैं. सी, सन, मून एंड अर्थ. फाइन. अब मून अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर रहा है. मून अभी सन, अभी तीनों अपने 180 डिग्री एंगल पे हैं. नाउ हियर इन दिस पोजीशन द मून इज कॉल्ड एज न्यू मून, जिसको अमावस्या की नाइट बोला जाता है. अब मून अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करेगा. लाइक मून रोटेट्स लाइक दिस phase. First phase is called crescent moon. Again it is called as quarter moon. See, quarter moon कब होगा? जब 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे this moon, earth and sun हो जाएगा. That is a quarter moon. Fine. Again moon moves on this position. इस position पे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Quarter moon. And quarter moon के बाद फिर क्या आता है? Gibbous moon. Fine. Gibbous moon के बाद फिर जब ये moon earth के back side में पहुंच जाता है, when the moon just moves, because moon is continuously rotating around the earth, so जब इस cycle में moon is at the back of the earth. Fine. Means sun in this is this side, earth is in the center. See, the position is looking like this. The earth is in the center, sun is here, and moon is on the back side of the earth. Then what happened? That position of the moon is called as full moon. और इस position को हम बोलते हैं पूर्णमासी. फुल मून यानी पूरी लाइट आती है मून पे सन की. सो ये जो फेज होती है फुल मून वाली, इट विल टेक्स मैक्सिमम टाइम. मैम ने ये बताया था. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? फुल मून. ऑब्वियसली जहां पे इल्यूमिनेशन आपको ज्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है ऑप्शन में, लाइक ए में दिख रहा है, बी में, सी में और डी में, you can just tick that option. Fine. Very nice. The option A is correct. Very good. So here, choose the option. Now it's a time for next question. Choose the option. I hope so that you are enjoying. Fine. Just show me your thumbs up fast. Very good. Choose the option which has the phases of the moon arranged in increasing order of the size. अब हमें मैम ने आपको phases बताई. Crescent, quarter, gibbous and full moon. ये phases होती हैं. अब इनको increasing order में लिखना है. Increasing order क्या होगा? Crescent, quarter, क्रिसेंट होगा. सबसे पहले क्रिसेंट होगा इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. क्रिसेंट के बाद क्या होगा? क्वार्टर और गिबस. नाउ टेल मी, आई वांट योर आंसर्स. I have told you the phases. See, choose the option which has the phases of the moon arranged in increasing order. Like हमने क्रिसेंट, हमारा सबसे पहले आता है. क्रिसेंट के बाद आता है गिबस, और गिबस के बाद आता है फुल मून और हाफ. Crescent, half and gibbous. So we are having the position of the moon, the phases of the moon that we have, like new moon, crescent, quarter, gibbous and full moon. By this way we can have our phases of the moon cycle. Fine. So this way they can changing their sizes also. Okay. By this way they can change their size. Which phase of the moon will gives us the brightest night? अब इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैम को कौन देगा? Because ma'am wants कि everybody will give the answer of this, because ma'am has explained you the phases of the cycle, phases of the moon. सबसे ज्यादा brightest night कौन सी फेज में होती है, जिसको मैम ने पूर्णमासी की नाइट बोला था? Remember? The phase is full moon. Yes, very nice. Clap for you. Clap for you. Very good. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे से समझाया आपने मैम. रियली मैम बहुत आपकी तारीफ करती है. Why does not the moon fall? Now see, moon fall क्यों नहीं होता है? Suppose the moon, I want to tell you that universe, a big universe is there. ठीक है. What is the universe? Universe, we can say simply, what is the universe? Universe is a vast space. Like universe means very big. Fine. And what happened after the universe? We have in universe, we have galaxies in the universe. Milky Way galaxies, like why they called as Milky Way, क्यों बोलते हैं मैम बताएगी आपको बाद में. गैलेक्सीज के बाद आते हैं हमारे प्लैनेटरी सिस्टम या सोलर सिस्टम. ठीक है. सोलर सिस्टम का मतलब क्या होता है? द स्टडी ऑफ सन एंड देयर फैमिली. अब सन और उसकी फैमिली में क्या आते हैं? बहुत सारे प्लैनेट्स आते हैं. 8 प्लैनेट्स होते हैं. और ये सारे प्लैनेट्स, सपोज ये सन है और ये सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं, ये सन के चारों तरफ रोटेट करते हैं. द प्लैनेट्स आर revolves around the sun and they are playing and they are singing like a song. Ringa ringa roses, pocket full of roses. They are doing like this. Means planets are revolving around the sun. Okay. And the planets, to the planets, some other satellites are moving. Suppose Earth is a planet, and what makes Earth is a planet and moon is called as natural satellite. Means the satellite is that object which revolves around the planets. तो अर्थ के चारों तरफ जो रोटेट करता है, रिवॉल्व करता है, उसको बोलते हैं मून. एंड मून इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. मून एक नेचुरल सैटेलाइट होता है. मून फॉल क्यों नहीं करता है? ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटी. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस पड़ी है ना, तो ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटी मून फॉल नहीं करता है. सी, अगर ये अर्थ है और अर्थ पे मैम इज सर्चिंग समथिंग. सी, मैम इज सर्चिंग समथिंग एंड अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस वी हैव रेड. हमने पढ़ी है अर्थ के अंदर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस होती हैं. सो दिस इज द रीजन दैट व्हाई डज नॉट द मून फॉल. फाइन. ओके, नाउ टेल मी हाउ मेनी प्लैनेट्स डू यू नो? आपको कितने प्लैनेट्स के नेम पता है और कितने होते हैं? सो देयर आर, यस यस, कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन, फास्ट. Very good. Very nice. Ma'am is doing clap for you. Very good. There are 8 planets. And see, if the sun is here and the planets are revolving around this, the planet which is very near to the earth is very small in size. The planet which is very near, that is the smallest planet. Suppose Mercury, the first planet which is near to the sun, that is the Mercury. It is the smallest planet. Mercury. After Mercury, what comes? Venus. Venus, that is called as like evening and morning star. After Venus, अर्थ. अर्थ जो हमारा प्लैनेट है, जो मैम ने आपको दिखाया, जिसे हम ब्लू प्लैनेट भी बोलते हैं. क्यों बोलते हैं? मैम हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी. उसके बाद आता है मार्स. मार्स मीन्स रेड प्लैनेट. नो लाइफ इज देयर ऑन द मार्स. लाइफ पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट टू जुपिटर. जुपिटर को हम सबसे लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट बोलते हैं. ओके. एंड उसके बाद आता है सैटर्न. लाइक रिंग्स. मैम की जो बैंगल है ना, तो सैटर्न्स आर लाइक अ रिंग्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. they are looking very beautiful, rings like structures. And then Uranus, and then Neptune. Here Pluto will not considered as a planet. Like the scientist, after they are having a study करने के बाद उन्होंने बताया that Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. That's why उन 8 planets में Pluto का name नहीं होता है. So why does not moon fall into the earth? क्वेश्चन हमारा यहाँ पे आया, जिसमें मैम ने आपको रिलेट करा दिया प्लैनेट्स के बारे में भी. सन, प्लैनेट्स, प्लैनेट्स के नेम, मैम ने आपको ये स्मॉल रिव्यू करा दिया. सो व्हाई नॉट द टाइम फॉर पोल क्वेश्चन. सी, मैम हैव टोल्ड यू ग्रेविटी. पता है ना सबको ग्रेविटी. द एप्पल फॉल्स, द एप्पल फॉल्स, दैट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटी. सपोज अर्थ, द एप्पल, न्यूटन्स लॉ ने दिया था ना कि अगर वो कोई भी चीज ऊपर है तो डेफिनेटली उसको गिराएंगे तो वो नीचे जाएगी. तो दिस इज द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्सेस. सी हियर, इफ द ग्रेविटी ऑफ द अर्थ इंक्रीजेस, then the speed at which the moon moves around the earth should dash for the moon to stay in its orbit. Now tell me what will be the answer? Obviously, your time starts now. So obviously, as very good, everybody giving a very right and correct answer. सभी ने बहुत सही आंसर दिया है. Reason is कि जैसे जैसे हमारी gravity बढ़ रही है, तो obviously it increases the speed at which the moon moves around the earth should increase. Okay, so answer is increase. Fine, very good. So I have told you the earth and moon, and I have given you like planets considerations also. मैम ने आपको ये सारा planet भी समझा दिया है. जो सबसे पास होता है वो सबसे छोटा होता है. See, the sun is here and sun की सबसे पास में कौन सा planet होता है? मरकरी. मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ. और रिंग्स किस में होती हैं? सैटर्न में. मैम ने आपको अपना बैंगल दिखाया था रिंग्स में. ऐसे आपको याद रखना है. आपकी मम्मा का बैंगल आप लेके आप सैटर्न बना सकते हो. फाइन. तो ऐसे हम प्लैनेट्स के नेम को याद कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे टू फाइंड इट आउट. सो फॉर टुडे, आज हम सिर्फ प्लैनेट्स तक की स्टडी करेंगे. और आई होप सो कि आप सब लोगों ने बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट से और बहुत ही एंजॉय किया सेशन. या वेरी गुड. जस्ट ऑलवेज कीप स्माइलिंग एंड नेवर यूज टू जस्ट क्रेम द टॉपिक्स. सिर्फ हमेशा रटना ही नहीं होता है टॉपिक्स को समझना होता है. यू जस्ट have to understand by taking certain number of the examples that like ma'am is having this cream box, ma'am make it sun, ma'am is having this, ma'am make it is like moon. Fine, ma'am के पास earth थी, ma'am ने आपको earth दिखा दी. So by this way you can also play games with your brother, sister, with your family, and definitely आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है स्टडी में. ओके, सो टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच. लेट मी स्टॉप माय स्क्रीन. सो आई होप सो सारे बच्चों ने बहुत इंटरेस्ट से पढ़ाई करी, बहुत एंजॉय किया सेशन. नेक्स्ट सेशन मैम और डिटेल में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ आएगी. ओके, टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.